Good day everyone. We are Group 1 and today we will demonstrate simple warm-up exercises routine. Warm-up exercises prepare our body before a physical activities. Let's go!
Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your core engaged and gently twist your torso from side to side while keeping your hips facing forward. Stand with your feet apart. Place your hands on your waist and gently rotate your torso in a circular motion while keeping your lower body stable. Stand with your feet apart. Place your hands together in front and twist your torso from side to side in a controlled motion. Stand with your feet apart. Place one hand on your waist. Raise the opposite arm overhead and bend your upper body sideways. Then switch sides in a controlled motion. Start with your arms extended forward and feet apart, then simultaneously pull your fist to your chest and lift one bent knee out to the side, returning to the starting position and alternating legs on the each count. To perform this arm swinging exercise, stand with your feet apart and rhythmically move your arms in a 4-count sequence. Out to your sides, straight up above your head, extended straight forward and back down to your waist. To perform this movement, start with your hands near your waist. Extend your right arm out to the side. Swing both arms straight up and out to the side. Then bring your hands back down while repeating the sequence with the opposite arm.
To perform this balancing stretch, pull one foot up behind you with the hand on the same side while extending your opposite arm straight out to the side. Then release and repeat. Perform this bodyweight squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hand claps together in front of your chest. Then bend your knee to lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair before pressing back up and starting position. To perform this next stretch, place one hand on top of your head to gently tilt it towards your shoulder while keeping the opposite hand on your hip. Hold the position, then switch aside. To perform this exercise, start in a deep squat with your hand held near your face. Then rise into a wide stance while extending one arm out into a punch, returning to a deep squat position between alternating punches to each side. Stand with your feet together and arm extended straight out to the side at the shoulder height. Then alternate, bring your arms forward to cross in front of your chest and swing them wide back open in a continuous rhythm. Start by bending forward at the wrist to reach your hands toward the ground. Then swing both arms straight overhead while tapping one foot out to the side, returning to the center and alternating legs on each count. Performing jumping jacks by hopping your feet out wide while raising your hands overhead, then jumping your feet back together while bringing your arms back down. To perform this stretch, stand in a wide stance, lunge to one side while reaching down to touch the ankle with the opposite hand and extending your other arm behind you. Then stand back up and repeat on the other side.
Good job everyone! These warm-up exercises help prepare our muscle and joints for physical activity while reducing the risk of injury. Remember to always warm up before exercising or playing sports. Thank you for participating and have a healthy and active day.